Today is content day. Trying to get better with these reels, tap in more, be more creative. I got a couple more ideas that I want to get out. So I'm about to link up with everybody, see what we gonna do, man. They bringing out all the cars and shit like that. When I get there, I will give y'all a little preview, a little behind the footage scenery of what's going on and, you know, what everybody be on. But this will be a little decent video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. We're gonna keep rocking, gonna keep rolling, keep the videos coming. We're gonna turn up one time for the one time, man, for sure. But I'll catch y'all in a minute as soon as we get there. Yeah. Pull up. Everybody outside just chilling. Got my boy out here. Got them cars out. Different shit. I hit the lock. These niggas. Everybody got that. Mo got that shit outside. That shit's so crazy. So hot. I'm trying to find some shit I'm finna strike on the bro. What's the word, Felly? I got that shit out here. 300. I'm trying to get like these niggas on, bro. 300 got the Hellcat emblem on his shit. Clear joint. He made sure to show that little cat. It's definitely still building this joint straight 8. Yeah, a little light stuff. Nothing too crazy going on. You can go ahead. I don't know what it is with these little Nerf guns, but they forever playing with this shit. Hold on, he got music. Let me get away from him. He fascinated. These dudes, you can't take black people nowhere. He tweaking again.
Mama, I'm finna make that.
What you finna do, gang? All right, bet. SS Mero. I low-key miss my Camaro. Got the stars in this bitch.
I need the stars in this bitch.
I'm finna get something in my shit. Only nigga that touched my car is Welch. So you want to race her? Got matte black on that shit.
It's like
boy,
a playground.
on bro, big ass playground with a bunch of cars and shit. Low ass better not fall, bro. Who in that car?
Hey, I'm finna trail you. He recording. Yeah.
With me out the zone?
Yeah.
Oh. So
But can you do it like, can you get me in it though? If I'm trailing you in it? Yeah. I just said this like a big ass playground.
Hold on. Matter of fact, it'd probably be. You got this dark ass windshield tint.
Oh yeah, you right. Cause he gonna be recording too.
This shit ain't going up. This gonna go on a vlog type shit.
But what if you can
I'm
do
big
your
as
reel,
hell.
but then you can get me in it too. Get me.
Do your thing.
Huh?
That bitch crazy. Man, y'all wanna
You trying to race right
check
now?
out that car content, man. They go to IG on that. Y'all about to race? Y'all do that. I need to get in a better position.
Yeah.
Cause I could definitely get some good footage of that.
Hold on. You better get your ass out the way.
I got you, gang. All right, let's see. Finna get it. This bitch getting sideways. She
Hey, no.
she managed that motherfucker.
No. Hell no. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I low key wasn't even ready because I ain't even him that good. Do it over. Hell no. No. Do it over. And I had traction off.
Tiny said she got the W.
Fuck that. You just smoked me, gang. What the fuck?
Oh shit. Yeah. Y'all gotta take off. You gotta.
Hey, that one was slow as hell. That one was slow. Oh, you right. You didn't even tell me that.
Well,
I was supposed to go, not one.
I wasn't even hearing what you was saying.
Alright.
I ain't 100% understanding what they saying for real. Alright. Neck and neck.
That was a tie.
That's neck and neck.
That was a tie. I damn near won, but I'm saying it's a tie.
That's neck and
No. Send me mine there. Yeah, send me mine.
She posting that other one.